You only glimpse a fraction of the internet. Beneath lies the dark web, a hidden digital realm. Imagine the web as an iceberg. The dark web lurks far below, unreachable without secret tech. You and your team track stolen data and ransomware chatter deep in the shadows. With insights from the dark web, you build defenses and hunt threats before damage hits. Behind these walls, your cyber defense wins battles unseen, keeping data safe every day. Curious how the dark web shapes your security strategy? It's a game changer in threat intelligence. You're not just a spectator. You can dive deep, hunt threats, and protect networks like a pro. Ethical hacking and digital forensics let you expose hidden risks lurking in the shadows. Every byte of dark web data you master strengthens your organization's cyber shield. Subscribe now to information security tutorials and join the front line against unseen cyber threats.